Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joker88 here with Mrs. Joker88. We are in Hollywood Boulevard in Highland, and we're gonna be doing some car spotting. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Look at the car spotting that we have here. We have the i8, BMW i8 right there, guys. It's an old classic V-dub bus. But we'll go outside in the street and take a look at some cars. Okay, so we're here in Hollywood and we are car spotting. Hey, Mrs. Joker88, what's your favorite car?
Favorite car?
Yeah.
i8, of course.
Oh, BMW i8. Okay, we saw that earlier in the store. But earlier I saw a Lamborghini Huracan pass by, but I didn't see still kind of quiet because of all the COVID stuff happening, yeah? Let's see what we can find here. Oh my gosh, look at that, look at that, look at that. We got it right here, guys. We got it for you guys right here. We have someone with a flat tire. Only in Hollywood, guys. Really striking out, but here we have Hemikuda Transformers edition. We just spotted a Tesla Model 3, guys. What do you think of that Model 3? Leave me comments below. Would you choose a Model 3, Model S, or a Model Y? Three's Company, Mr. Furley, best ever. As you can see around here in Hollywood, it's pretty quiet, you know, because everybody is kind of stuck in their homes because of COVID. Not us. We're out on the move. Oh, we spotted. Yeah, we spotted an i3 right there, guys. Check that out. i3.
That is i3.
Right there, straight ahead. You like the i3, right? You have an i3?
Yeah, but gold one.
The gold one, that's right.
Let's go.
All right, let's go. So as you can see, Mrs. Joker 88. This is her first time here in, walking through Hollywood, so everything is very new for her. We drove through it, but I think we're gonna take a photo session right here in front of the Hollywood sign. All right, so here we go. Let's take some photos and I'll share the photos with you guys. Yeah, we have a Merc right here, guys. Looking really good. Looking really good. Alright guys, we found a three-wheeler. Yeah, what do you guys think of that? I test drove one of those before in Long Beach, and it was okay, I guess. I'd rather ride a real motorcycle. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I just have a quick news for you. I did sell my motorcycle. My Yamaha R3 is gone, and Mrs. Joker 88 seems to be very, very happy about it. Okay, so she's been looking for Cameron Diaz this whole time, favorite actress, and then we ended up stopping right in this corner right here on 6717, and then I went ahead and asked Siri, where is Cameron Diaz's star? And we were like, how far are we from it? Like, you know, like less than a meter. And she's right there. We found her. All right, there's Cameron Diaz. So now we're gonna take some photo opportunities here.
Oh my god.
All right, here we go. Yeah, we've been looking for you, Cameron.
Is it right? Yeah.
Alright guys, well, you know, we were out here for a good, what, 3 hours or so or whatever? Yeah, and we only saw one supercar with a Ferrari California, so sorry about that. But you did get to see a little bit of Hollywood, right? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. Please help my channel grow. And you guys can say goodbye to Miss Joker 88.
Bye.
Ciao.